Hello, hello. No tutorial coming. Today it's going to be the single line comment in SQL. Okay, so here we have um, first name just not commented out and last name commented out. So I'll run it and see what we'll get. It should print out all the first name column and just ignore the last name. And that's what it did. All right, so here's the first name column and the last name column's not there. And to comment it out, all you have to do is two dashes and it's commented out. Just two dashes right next to each other without any space. So I'm going to comment out first name and we should just get the last name. There we go. And we just get the last name. All right. Well, thank you for watching and subscribe for more SQL, hopefully with less cars. All right. Bye.